Do you want to study in the UK but you're unsure how much money you need to show? Are you worried that your visa might get refused because of insufficient proof of funds? Let me explain this because many applicants get this part wrong. Hi, I am John from Law and Visas, and today we will be talking about one of the most important requirements for your UK student visa. Let's break it down in simple terms. First, what is proof of funds? Proof of funds simply means showing the UK Home Office that you can take care of yourself financially while studying, without relying on public funds or working illegally. This is a must-have requirement. If your proof of funds is not sufficient or doesn't meet the Home Office's standard, your visa will be refused. How much do you need to show? First, tuition fees. You need to show the first-year tuition or the full tuition if your course is less than a year. If your school has already issued you a CAS and you've paid part of your tuition, the balance must be reflected in your account. Second, living expenses. You need to show £1,934 per month if your school is in London, or £1,023 per month if your school is outside London. Multiply this by 9 months, unless your course is shorter. This amount must be in your account for at least 28 consecutive days before you apply for your visa. The money can be in your personal account, your parent or guardian's account with birth certificate and consent letter, or your official financial sponsor, if applicable. Your bank statement must be clear, verifiable, and meet UKVI requirements. Getting your proof of funds right is one of the biggest keys to getting your UK student visa approved. At Law and Visas, we help students like you prepare correctly, check your financial documents, and guide you every step of the way. Ready to start your UK student visa journey? Book a consultation with us today. Hit that like, share, and follow button, and subscribe for more visa tips. See you in the next video.